Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rita Daleto and today it's my birthday. So let's try to do birthday makeup with me. How do you think, how old I am? Leave your answer on the comment, and at the end of the video I told you what it's true. So let's go!
I'm not shy, I'll say it. I've been picturing you naked. I'm a little faded. You look like a fucking painting. Big doe eyes, amazing. She's everything I've been praying. My heart palpitations. She looks like the type to break it. Me and your girlfriend playing dress up in my house. I gave your girlfriend cunnilingus on my couch. She cute, kawaii, and that boobies that excites me. I think she really likes me. I feel like me, can I? From a party. From a party. From a party. From a party. It's getting hot in here. I'm the Nelly in the party with some rocks for ears. I'm a slave for you, baby, Miss Britney Spears.
Ta-da! Thank you that you will be with me, and if you want to wish me a happy birthday, you can send super thanks. It's heart under the video, or you can start to be patron on Boosty or Patreon. See you next video. Bye bye.
From a party.